It's so important when you want to get lean, you follow something which is very low in carb or probably no in carb. So we got some great options over here to be in the great shape. Welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I'm Praveen and I've got Maahek with me. Let's roll this.
Hi, today we're going to be making a cauliflower mash. So it is almost like a potato mash. So you have mashed potatoes. It tastes almost like that, and it's really low in carbohydrates. That means low in calories. That means all of y'all can eat without even thinking about it. So it's guilt-free.
Yep.
Let's see how do we make it.
Awesome, girl.
So I have some cauliflower florets. I have already boiled them and I have strained them. So I have strained them with cold water.
Yep.
So what I'm going to do is, you need a blender for that. So I have a blender with me. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of white butter.
So you must have seen our other videos and you must have seen the benefit of white butter.
I'm going to add to it 1 tablespoon of roasted garlic. So I have already pre-roasted a garlic and I have kept that. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the same. To that I'm going to add my cauliflower florets. They're already boiled. I've strained them well. So you can boil them on a gas or you could do it even in a microwave, whatever you guys are comfortable with.
One of the few things I really like about cauliflower is about you can eat anytime. It could be a morning breakfast. You can use it in the lunch or snack or dinner. So it does not spike much of insulin. So that's something really cool about it.
I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut milk to it.
Yep.
And that's done.
So if you guys have seen our other videos, it's very short in time and you get a lot of taste from that.
Okay, so our cauliflower is done. It looks nice and creamy.
Yes.
I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper as per taste. You could add black, you could add white pepper, whatever you like. So I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. I have some Himalayan salt.
Again, I'm saying you can use any of the salt that you want, but we prefer Himalayan salt.
I'm going to give a quick whip once again. There we go. And that's
awesome.
done.
And that's done. Short in time, less than even 3 minutes. Yes, the preparation must have taken more time, but the final cooking was 3 minutes.
That's last. What I'm going to add is...
It has got lots and lots of benefits. We added white butter, so it gets you some kind of great omega-3 and omega-6s into it. And of course, a great source of fiber too.
So your mashed cauliflower is ready. You can serve it with nice protein, with some eggs. You could serve it with chicken, whatever you want, like a side dish. It's really nice, healthy, low in carbohydrates, and really yum to taste.
And I think one of the most important things is that as we being Indians, we do not eat much of vegetables. We end up eating only those roti and all this kind of stuff. So it's going to be a great replacement for those fibers that we look forward for in the meal. So please do add this kind of food in your meal plan. And stay tuned with our channel, stay tuned with us. We've got 3 videos every week coming on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday early in the morning. That's on high intensity interval training, that's on nutrition, and that's on information. Why do you follow a particular protocol? So stay tuned and thank you so much for being here. See you in the next video.
See you next time.